Why is your train ticket so expensive? Well, in Britain, neither the train company nor the government owns the train you're travelling on. Instead, a huge chunk of the cost of your journey goes towards paying to lease trains from foreign-owned, private companies. Let's take a look at one of these. Porterbrook is part-owned by a company registered in tax haven Luxembourg. That company's ultimate parent company is part of a giant multinational in Germany. Another major shareholder is an investment vehicle for pension funds in the Canadian province of Alberta, and the other big players include an American investment firm and an energy company owned by the French government. It's a similar story for the other two big companies we lease our trains from, Angel Trains and Beacon. Instead of being ripped off, we could keep that money on the track, not send it offshore. Better trains, better deal, cheaper tickets. It's time to own our trains.